Yes, sir.
Could you get me these, please?
Not today. Bottle of trendy pop, a pair of shoes, size 9, white moccasins, and a tub of pig rolls.
Good film on the telly today. By the way, do you sell hammocks?
You said you were repairing my pencil today.
You told me you were going rubbing.
Yes, my pencil broke.
So?
Well, I came in here to get a new one, and Mr. Hersey said he needed someone he could rely on to look after the shop.
Well, why didn't you call me?
Because he said he needed someone he could rely on to look after the shop.
You know nothing at all about shopkeeping.
If you're going to take that attitude, I'm not going to serve you at all.
There you are, you see. Remember the golden rule? Customer's always right.
Is he?
No matter what he might want, nothing's too much trouble. Look, I'll show you. You go outside and come back in, and I'll serve you. I'll show you it's done, and don't slam that door. Good day, sir. What can I do for you?
I'd like to purchase a packet of biscuits, please.
Certainly, sir, no problem. What kind of biscuits would you like?
Well, what would you recommend?
Oh, well, we've got some rich teas, digestives, chocolate digestives. Oh, some lovely bourbons, custard creams, ginger nuts. How about Garibaldi's?
Haven't you got anything else?
I might have some more out the back. Now look.
The customer's always right. This place is in a dreadful state.
We've got Marie's.
Are they fresh?
There. Yes?
No.
We've got morning coffee. We've got Jaffa cake.
Are they fresh?
There. Yes?
No.
We've got Lincoln's.
Lincoln's.
Right. There we are.
Are they fresh?
We've got fig rolls, chocolate chip cookies, Nice, malted milk, Osborne's, fruit shortcakes, shortbread fingers, chocolate fingers, ginger creams, chocolate rings, coconut cookies. Luxury butter surprise. Muesli wedges, butter flapjacks, Scottish oatcakes. That's all.
Haven't you got anything else? Customer's always right.
Is he? Right. I'll look at the customer, and you look at the customer. I'll be back in a minute. This is not a shoe shop.
Now, where are my shoes?
Just a minute, I'll go and get them from the stock room.
Now, where are my shoes?
There you are, sir. One pair of white shoes.
I like those.
All today's items are free. They're very nice.
They are very nice.
Oh, sorry about that, sir. Here, have a free mint.
Free?
Yes. Have a free mint. Have a free mint. Have a free mint. All part of the initiative to get the customers Are you all right?
This isn't a mint, it's a wallpaper.
Oh, sorry about that. Simple mistake and a mix-up. Is there anything else I can do for you? How about a nice pair of trousers? One careful owner, well running. What do you say?
What?
I thought there was a fridge there.
I know, you look like a cream cake. Come round here. Come on, I'll sort you out. Yeah. How about a nice cream cake? You'd like one of those, wouldn't you?
Get off!
There, you're right.
Paul, can you come here a minute, please?
Just wait there. Hey, where you going? I haven't finished. Just a minute. How'd you do that?
What?
Well, you were there and there, 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 there and there.
That was Mr. Hersey.
Who?
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 The man who owns the shop.
Oh dear.
I thought there was a fridge there.